Okay, so my last video was horseshit. It's nearly 4:30. Well, the end of my last video is horseshit. This is the remains of the fire that I've just been raking out, and I literally haven't stopped. So whenever I finish that last video, I've been carrying on, and to my detriment, this hand, the left hand, here's all the piles that we cleared. Mr. B was insistent that we got as much done as possible. Fucking hell, that man can go and go. Anyway, I'm going to go and put the birds to bed now because it's about an hour before sunset. And I think the reason for that is, I'm pretty sure I know the reason for that is that as soon as I get inside, have a hot cup of tea and lie down, I'm probably going to conk out. So 9:30 to 4:30, that's pretty brutal. So now's the time to see if the children are ready to go to bed. I gave Mr. B's wife one of the bantam eggs, and she's like, oh my god, they're so cute, and she loves the ducks. She came down to see the ducks. So yeah, hopefully I don't get the run around. Let's go right to the stragglers at the back and see if we can get them all moving. Come on, peeps, you know the drill. Go, go, go. Go on, Rocky. Catch up. Right, here's the little bird farm. This is our nightly routine. I've got a reminder in my calendar, bird o'clock. Hasn't come round yet, but I'm so tired. Look at them all. Oh my god, how have I ended up with so many birds? Right, they're all being good. Look at this. Go on then. Oh my goodness. Diego. Oh, no, you've got to go in as well. Go on. Let's go. Come on, Diego. Last man in. All right. Everybody's in. Alright. Night night.